Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Carnitine for weight loss. First, understand that L-Carnitine is a compound that plays a crucial role in energy production by transporting fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria. This process helps your body burn fat for fuel. While your body produces it, some people choose to supplement to potentially enhance fat metabolism, especially when combined with an active lifestyle. When considering L-Carnitine, a typical daily dose for weight loss support is between 500 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams. For optimal results, it's often recommended to take your supplement about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. If you're taking a higher dose, consider splitting it into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout the day to enhance absorption and minimize potential digestive discomfort. To truly maximize the benefits of L-Carnitine for weight loss, it's essential to combine it with a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. This means focusing on nutrient-dense whole foods and ensuring adequate protein intake. Furthermore, regular physical activity, particularly cardiovascular exercise, will significantly enhance L-Carnitine's ability to help your body utilize fat for energy. It's a team effort for the best outcomes. Before you begin any new supplement regimen, including L-Carnitine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help determine if it's right for you and advise on appropriate dosages. Remember, L-Carnitine is a supportive tool, not a standalone solution. Consistent effort with your diet and exercise routine remains paramount for achieving sustainable weight loss goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.